Hello friend, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how you can speed up your Windows 11 in just 5 steps. This is the 5 things you must do after you install your Windows 11. So make sure guys to like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out my future videos. So let's jump to the first step. The first thing that we're gonna do is a system cleanup. Just go to my computer, right click on drive C and click on properties, then click on disk cleanup, click on the cleanup system file. Another window will pop up. Then check all the box. So this is the list of the files that we're gonna delete them. Okay, scroll down. It's around 8.88 GB. Just hit the OK and delete files. So guys, this is the files which is left after you update your Windows or upgrade your Windows. We do need them. I'm just gonna clean and delete these files. And this process may take a bit time, maybe around few seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, done guys. So we're going to the second step, and the second thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna defragment each drive or optimize each drive. So guys, to do this one, go to my computer, right click on a drive C and go to properties, then go to the tools, click on optimize. So we're gonna select the drive one by one and click the optimize. So it's so fast because of my laptop has a SSD, that's why it's not taking much time. It's done. The third step that we're gonna do is we're gonna disable unnecessary service which is running in the background. Okay, press Win key plus all and it will open the run, then type msconfig. Okay, so it's gonna open the system configuration. So on the second or first tab we don't need to do anything. Even you can reduce the timeout to 3 seconds, and we move to third tab and you can see the hide all Microsoft service. This button, just check it. This is the list of applications which is running in the background. So we need to disable them, those we don't need it. Some of them as a driver that maybe we need them. Okay, now it's done and hit apply. Okay, so guys, we're done with the third step. Now on the fourth step we're going to disable the unnecessary startup process or unnecessary startup application. So the same things, just open the system configuration as we did in the third step, or you can go to directly task manager, both you can do that. The fourth tab is there is a startup, just hit that one, it will open the task manager. We're gonna disable them one by one. Okay, now it's done with the fourth step. So guys, Just click OK and restore to apply this configuration. Okay. And the fifth steps that we're gonna do, we're gonna clean the prefetch folder and the temp folder. These things you can do it like every time you just start up your Windows, and you can do this one. Okay. So to do this, just open the run and type prefetch. Yeah, it will get you directly to this folder, and Control A, select all of them and just press Shift plus delete. Yeah, it's delete all. Okay, the same thing for the temp also. Just type temp and it will get you directly to the temp folder. Select all of them and Shift plus delete. Yeah, some of them will not be deleted, just skip it. Okay, thank you guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments.